ஹாய் நீட் ஆஸ்பிரண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி. வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. Wish you all the best.
My name is Mahanandi. I am a physics faculty. Now I am explaining about of the electric potential. Now, what is the electric potential? How to representation of the electric potential? What is the units of the electric potential? Now we will discuss. Electric potential is a representation of the capital V. V is the representation of the electric potential. This electric potential means what? Means here at any one of the charge at infinity to infinity of the distance having, means the bringing of the charge from infinity distance to at a particular point of the charge is called electric potential. If you one charge is bringing at the infinity to, means that time they have some work done is done. Here the potential is equal to work done by charge is called electric potential. Potential V equal to work done by charge, means V equal to W by Q. But here work done is the positive having and negative having. Work done when is the positive and work done when is the negative, means if you work done by the field time, the work done is negative. If your work done is the positive when is, means if you any external of agent of work done means that time work done is positive is coming, means now V equal to minus W by Q, means by the field work done by the field by charge. If you any work done by the electric field base time, that time the work done is negative is entered. Now V equal to W by Q. This work done is positive when is applicable, means work done by the external agent by charge. These are the electric potential. Electric potential is a scalar quantity or vector quantity, means electric potential is a scalar quantity. Here what is the units of the electric potential, means SI units. Work units is the joule per, charge unit is coulomb or other unit. Potential of the unit also is volt or other units. Joule is the work done, general formula is equal to what? Force into displacement. Force of the units means Newton into displacement means meter by coulomb. These are the SI units of the electric potential of the units. But CGS units, joule is converted to the erg of the CGS, means erg by coulomb of the converted to CGS unit means ESU, or and another one Newton converted to the dyne, meter converted to centimeter by coulomb converted to ESU. These are the CGS unit. Now here 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power of 7 erg. 1 coulomb equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 9 ESU. Electrostatic unit means now here 1 joule per coulomb means what happened, means 1 joule per coulomb is equal to the 10 to the power of 7 erg by 3 into 10 to the power of 9 ESU. Now here 10 power 7 cancel, remaining 1 by 300 erg by ESU, means 1 joule per coulomb is equal to 1 by 300 erg by ESU. These are the 1 joule per coulomb of the potential is equal to 1 by 300 of erg per electrostatic unit. Now what is the dimensions of the electric potential? Dimension. Now here work dimensions I want. Work dimensions means m1 L square t power minus 2 by coulomb dimensions means A into T, AT. dimensions. Now apply to the numerator means m power 1 l power 2 t power minus 3 a power minus 1. These are the dimensions of the electric potential. Now electric potential, how to representation means, if you any one of the electric potential one means the work done by the external agent against of the electric field in bringing of the per one unit of the charge at that particular point, that point is called a electric potential. Once work done by the external agent against of the electric field. If you charge, one charge is bringing from the against of the electric field time, the charge bringing at a particular point place of the electric potential. Now here one charge plus q having at particular point place, but the per unit of the charge, one charge might bringing at the infinity distance to here 1 coulomb of charge having, these 1 coulomb of the charge might bringing at the infinity distance to particular distance is bringing. Here suppose same 1 coulomb of charge reached continuously, here r having, that time what happened the electric potential means, suppose at continuously infinity to at a distance bringing time at a particular point my choosing charge here, that time this is the small x dx at a fixed point of the charge to distance is x. One charge is bringing to up to here means what happened means Coulomb force I need. Now Coulomb force is the generally force formula is the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught the product of the two charges by distance square. Now here force F equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, charge is coming to up to here, suppose at A point, at B point, at C point. Now Coulomb force F equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into 1 coulomb, q into 1 by distance square is x square. This is the explanation is the charge q due to with 1 coulomb at point B place, charge due to 1 coulomb charge with at point B place. Now force equal to F equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by x square. Now here force having, now work done, one charge is at bringing to the A point to B point means how much work done continuously means small work done, small work dw equal to F into dx cos theta. Generally now here cos theta, theta is the charge is bringing to the left hand side but the force is applicable to the right hand side, both in between of the angle is the 180 degree. Theta is equal to 180 degree means now dw is equal to cos 180 means F into dx cos 180 degree. Cos 180 is the minus 1, dw is equal to minus f dot dx. Now integral on both sides, integral on both, integral dw is equal to minus integral f dot dx. Integral dw is the w equal to minus f is the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by x square into dx integration. But here variation of the distance is at the infinity to at r point reached means infinity to at r. Here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q is the constant term is outside, w is equal to minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught outside, remaining integral 1 by x square infinity to r into dx. Now integral of the 1 by x square is the minus 1 by x. How means x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 means here x square denominator is converted to power upside means x power minus 2. X power minus 2 here take na x power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1 by x is coming. Done is equal to minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught minus 1 by x. Limits is the infinity to r. Now here this minus into minus is the plus, w is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught, upper limit substitution 1 by r minus 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity is the 0, remaining is the w is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. This is the work done. What is the work done? Work done per unit of the charge. Here unit of the charge is the what? 1 coulomb. Means work done by 1 coulomb of the charge is equal to the potential. Means V equal to work by charge. Means work by 1 coulomb of the charge is bringing means the potential is equal to the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. These are the electric potential is the representation. V equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. Now electric potential is representation of the another method. Electric field strength field equal to the negative of the potential gradient. Electric field is representation of the E is equal to minus potential gradient means the variation of the potential with respect to distances means dV by dx. These are the potential, but x is the gradient variations means, but in this potential representation always we are considered to the r. That purpose mind dV by dr taken means now dr converted means minus dV is equal to E into dr. Now here minus is converted to right side means dV is equal to minus E dr means now integral on both sides means integral dV is equal to minus integral E bar dot dr bar. Now here integral dV want potential means and but distance is that what infinity to at r distance is coming means V initial r initial is equal to infinity, V initial of the potential is 0. Now substitution integral Vi to V final into dV is equal to minus integral E bar dot dr bar means here r initial r final. R initial is the 0, R initial is R initial is infinity, V initial is 0 means 0 to V substitution integral dV, integral 0 to V dV is equal to minus integral infinity to R E bar dot dr bar. Now here integral dV means V substitution means V equal to minus integral infinity to R E bar dot dr bar. Now at a one charge having plus q of the charge having at a point place, but this point in between of the distance is the r having. That time one charge is kept here means the distance is r having. How much the electric field means E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square having. Now here the electric field is substitution of the potential formula means V equal to minus integral infinity to R E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square into dr. Now here 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by R square common means now potential V equal to minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught common outside, remaining 1 by R square means integral infinity to R 1 by R square into dr. Now here V equal to minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught minus 1 by R, limits infinity to R, minus into minus plus V equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Because of the infinity substitution time, 1 by infinity is 0. The potential is equal to the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. These are the representation of the electric potential. Totally the electric potentials are the representation of the three method based. One is the V equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. And another one is the velocity potential based of the electric field means V equal to minus integral E bar dot dr based, and another one is the electric potential is V equal to W by Q. Totally three types of the potential. V equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R one, and another one potential V equal to W by Q, and another one V equal to minus integral E bar dot dr bar. These are the electric potentials of the representation of the method. Here work and charge relation based potential, this is the charge and distance based relation of the potential. Here electric field and distance based of the relation of electric potential. These are the explanation of the electric potential. Thank you for watching this video.